version 3.2 and older, like I said, if you want to add other users, so we've got other users listed in here. So we've got a supervisor user, an operator user, an observer user. To add those users, you would have to go into the, let's make this menu bigger. We would have to go into the configurations. Okay, and under user setup, user management. Okay, now we can add our users in this interface. And to add a user is very simple. You just add, you put the username. So let's say observer 2, right? And then you can say observer, second observer on webinar. Now the observer user, of course, password is set up in my radius system, right? And you would have to list the observer user 2. So I would have to come in here and type observer 2, right? And basically put the same clear text password and mode if I want to. Okay. And that's how you would add users to both sides, to the radius side and to the D400 side. Okay. Right, I'm gonna take that out, cancel in here. We've got all our users that are configured in the server, and the radius server configured in the D400 at this point. So we've got observer user, supervisor user, right? And at this point, we can basically log out, come back in. Now I can start to use my other users after I configured them, because I logged in with my administrator users, configured my other users like supervisor, operator, and observer. So now I can go super user and sup pw. It allows me access as a supervisor. Okay. So super user, my role is supervisor. If I log out, so log out, and I want to log in back as an observer, so I can type observer user and type obspw, observer password. As you can see that I'm an observer user with an observer. So your role is defined in the D400. The D400 would authenticate only the password with the master in order to sanitize or make sure that the D400 and the master are using the same roles. It makes sense to define these roles in the dictionary of your server, and then make sure that the users are assigned the same roles locally on the D400.